You wanted to go in the water, so I'm in the water.
Come on. Let's go down the waterfall.
Yeah. That was boring.
Yeah, that was boring.
This is bloopers of Redwood Prison.
What bloopers?
Where you mess up and it's just funny. Okay, guys, I'm a tree dancer. I'm a tree dancer.
Okay, I wonder if there's like a secret cave under the waterfall where you can get like free ATVs and like free guns and stuff. Oh my god. Right there is the cave. Oh, gun.
Oh, hello, gun. Bro, that's.
Dude, what the? There's a free gun in here. That's awesome.
Bro, you're like, I wonder if there's a cave under the waterfall. There freaking was.
Dude. And also, I was wondering if there was like free ATVs and guns and stuff, and there was. Like, that's awesome.
I know. This is definitely going in a video saying, we found a secret cave in Redwood Prison. Bro, why are you shooting me?
I don't know. I get a hammer.
I'll get nothing because I don't have anything except this pistol.
Okay, come on, let's go. Is there another one? No, there's not. I wish there was.
1 second, I gotta stop crawling.
Okay,
Aiden, come here. Look, I'm gonna crawl back up to the waterfall. Aiden, come here. Look at this.
What are you doing? How are you doing that? Oh.
It's quite simple, Aiden. Okay, now I have to go upload this saying, we found a secret cave in Redwood Prison Waterfall. Okay. Goodbye, everybody, and goodbye.